So I just received my Woodenhouse cooking set and I really love them. I want to show you what you get in the box. First of all, you get 6 of these S hooks, which is great if you want to hang them up and not use this. So this is just a container that you can actually store them in. It does have 3 holes in them, so it's easily to you can drain it if you want to wash it out. So that's really nice. It's just gorgeous, the shine. It's like a semi-gloss. It's really pretty. And then you have a spoon rest, which is right here. Really nice. Now we have 2 spatulas and then 4 different designs of spoons. Let me just kind of show you this up close. It is just gorgeous. All the different woods, the tones of them. Now, if you notice, the wood does look a little different. And the reasoning for that is it's 100% natural teak wood. So it's just one piece, which is great. You're not going to get those splinters that are in there or it's coming unglued. This is actually one piece. It's going to last you for a really long time. Now, these differences in spoons are a little unique because you have the holes in this one really nice and large. So if you're wanting to either drain your grease out or just maintain the liquid to go through there, this is going to be your great spoon. This is great for like maybe your soups because it has this little indentation right here. And then you have this spoon that kind of acts like a fork, so it has these little indentions at the very top. And then you have this really nice large spoon, so really makes it nice. I love how large it is, and all the utensils fit really nicely in this utensil holder. I just want to thank the seller so much for sending all this to me so I can show you what it all comes with. Now, all these pieces come individually wrapped, which is really nice. If you're going to give this as a gift, this is going to be a great gift, whether it's Christmas, birthday gift, Mother's Day, hint, hint, or just because. These are great gifts, and I just really love the quality of these. It's just really nice and sturdy. I just really like these. They're very well made. What I like also about these is when you're cooking, they're not going to be scratching your pan. So I really like that you're not going to have to worry about that if you have a nonstick pan. Now there's 2 really important things that you need to know for cleaning and just for the longevity of these utensils. One, you don't want to put this in the dishwasher. You want to make sure that this stays nice and smooth, doesn't dry out. So it's important once you hand wash this, you dry it real good, and then you want to go ahead and apply mineral oil on there. That's going to give this really longevity. It's going to keep that really smoothness of the utensils, and it's going to last you forever. So hope you found this review helpful. Thanks for watching.